Welcome guys to the Cats Nine Tails channel. So in this video is basically going to be about two apps, and also it's going to be basically just using your iPhone and doing thumbnails on the go, making them look good quality like the ones that you see that I basically do. Okay, here goes the thing. One thing to take into consideration is the sizing. Thumbnail Maker makes that easy for you. They already have the sizing, the standard sizing that YouTube needs for their thumbnail. That's it. That's why I like to use both of them, because Thumbnail Maker just makes the canvas for me and the limitations, and then I export it to PicsArt, and I basically do more artistic stuff in there. That's why it's called PicsArt. Okay, anyways, so I pre-recorded this video because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna mess up and I can't do the voiceover, yada yada yada, whatever. So right here in Thumbnail Maker, what I like is that they actually give you ideas. There's templates. You can use these templates to your advantage. You can even edit these templates if you want. You can keep scrolling down. You can go to technology, game, travel, whatever. They got a bunch of stuff. For the sake of this thumbnail that I made for even this YouTube video, we're going to use create a thumbnail, which is basically what we're trying to do. I'm going to save this picture onto my photos, and then I'm going to go to PicsArt and open it there. Sorry, this is a previous project. Anyways. So here we go. I opened it from my photos, and basically what I want to do is add a sticker to this. I want to add like, this is easy. And that's basically what I'm going for. I'm going to stick on the easy sticker on it to make it more attractive to my audience. Let me see what I do. There we go. So I basically make it more attractive to my audience, and that's what you want out of these thumbnails. So that way people click, they have a reason to click to your thumbnails. That's it, basically. And then I put an iPhone so that way it shows that it's going to be done with an iPhone, the video editing. But that's what you want out of doing thumbnails. I basically want to lure my audience in with these thumbnails. That's what they're here for. And basically to give you an orientation of where you're going with these thumbnails. Like, what am I basically gonna prep myself up to watch? That's what I do with all my thumbnails. I basically use these two programs interchangeably. And sorry, my accent. I speak Spanish primarily at my grandma's house, so like it's kind of hard afterwards transitioning to English. Anyways, English is my second language. So I'm going to basically fix the lettering here. You can fix the borders of the lettering. You can put it red, blue, purple, whatever to make them pop. That's what you want out of these thumbnails. I basically got like a template already, and you can already see how I basically put my personality into it. I wanted to put an iPhone to make it more like that you can visualize that you're going to see iPhone stuff. I don't know, human vision is more like what you see. Basically, if it attracts you, you're gonna click it. That's why there's clickbait. So I try not to do clickbait. I try not to do. That's not to say every so often I get a little out of hand, like the drone one in Gensha. Anyways, there's a good example of being over dramatic. You can be as dramatic as you want in these thumbnails. I think it's kind of basically like good in a way, but I could be wrong. It's your taste as well, what you think it would be good or somebody would click on, that you would click on. If you wouldn't click on it, I wouldn't use whatever you're doing because maybe somebody else won't click on it. I don't know. And that's like, or maybe something you think is not going to get out there really good. It might. You never know. There might be like an audience for your thumbnail or something that they kind of liked it. Even some people that I've clicked on their thumbnail, I've kind of liked the fact that it's not too edited, because I'm like, you know what, if it's too edited, it's probably clickbait. That's the way I see things too sometimes. But sometimes I kind of click on the ones that have a nice thumbnail. So here I basically show you different things. Like if you're a gamer and you want to put about games, they also have templates already done for games. Like this one was Fortnite. Then you click over here on this one, or not click, just press, I guess, with your finger, because this is an iPhone. And that's what we do. We touch, we don't click. So here some of them have already been done, pre-made, and I'm gonna scroll down. this one has like 5 tips. You can change that into like, let's say Pokemon stream number 1 or whatever. If you're a vlogger, you can find different like templates already done, put your like signature to it or put your icon to it, whatever it is that you want to do with your thumbnail. They have so many stuff that you can do here, and they have already even like pictures where they have like a landscape or something, or a picture of someone's face, or like if you're doing like a food vlog, they have foods, background foods or whatever. I'm opening up here the Halo one that you guys saw me do earlier, or that you saw the thing to it. By the way, you can do 2 pictures, but let's do 1 for the sake of this one. But there's just so many ways to divide also the picture. You can do side by side, next to it, or 3 pictures or whatever. It already has like the borders for that. For this one though, we're gonna do like the Halo name. Make sure when you get these logos, they don't have any background to them. Like they have the little pixelated boxes that you see here, so that way it's transparent. This one I got lucky. I got it offline and it was transparent. It happened to transfer good. I got lucky. Not all the time you get that, but this time I did get one, and I was able to find one and put it onto Thumbnail Maker and just have it basically pop. I kind of edited to that way get people to like see like Halo, like oh my god, look how cool it looks, it's popping in my face. And there's a bunch of sticker selections you can put on here. Like I said, you can put live if you want live. You can put subscribe. You can put like thoughts, like in the little bubbles, write thoughts or whatever. Like I'm thinking of ice cream or something, or oh my god. I think you guys saw one where I said oh my god, and for this one I put an emoji. I put like a cat. I was like, I don't know, I'm a cat. I don't know what to say. This was not the legit one. You guys can see how I edited the other one. This one I just did it just to show you guys that what the possibilities are. Like this one I went crazy on it, and I put Gensha and I put me all over the place. But we're gonna exit that project and we're gonna open up the Halo one that we were working on. Right here you can find, what I like about PicsArt is that some labels are already done. Like for example, I want to find, or logos, I want to find the Gensha Impact one. I want to find the Mortal Kombat. Right here we pick Gensha Impact. It's already done for us. Somebody loaded it up, already made it, and you can put it wherever you want. So that way you don't have to do it yourself or look for the logo yourself. Mortal Kombat is also done on here as well. I didn't do that logo. That logo just came in with the PicsArt, and I didn't have to pay for that part because these ones are loaded by people, and basically you can get them for free because they're loaded by someone else. It's not the company itself. I assume, I don't know. They're just free, these ones. And you can also put a border to them and edit it however you feel like. You could put shadows to it. You could do so many things with these programs. Also, there's layers, so that means like you can even put things on the back layer or on top or at the bottom or whatever, if you guys know how layers work. It's like a cake, you know, you have the top layer, icing, and then the other one, yada yada yada. Yeah, you can even put text here. Be careful though. Sometimes you have to pay. Like for example, you can't bend your text. Bend your text. That you would have to pay extra. So be careful what you choose. Sometimes it's gonna cost you money if you choose something that has a little crown on it. The crown just means that is for premium, like subscribers or whatever. The cost of PicsArt, I don't know. I don't think it's worth it, but to each their own. If you have the moolah for it, by all means, subscribe to it. I mean, you know what? I'm using it enough that I should subscribe to it, to be honest, because I really do now use it. And you can use it on the go. Like I said, if you don't have a computer with you at the moment, or a laptop or whatever, or let's say you can't afford one, you can, if you have an iPhone, dude, you can do whatever you want on your iPhone. You can make videos high quality, you can make thumbnails high quality, everything with your iPhone. It's just insane. Yeah, here goes a bending tool, so be careful with that. And the highlighting tool as well, be careful with that, because that's going to cost you. It won't let you save the thumbnail. Now, we can argue on this one and just say, well, I can just take a picture of my screen basically on my iPhone. Yeah, you could. I don't know how it would work with resolution and like getting the size right for the thumbnail. I'm not sure if it's going to mess with that. So I don't know. I'm not going to tell you do it or not do it. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never done it. I never had the need to, because I'm like, you know what? I can live without doing the bending text or other things like that. Like, I don't need that extra stuff. It's too fancy, it's too complicated that like I don't need in general. I just don't need it. Never used it. I sometimes just want to get to the point when I do thumbnails, especially if you're a busy person, that you're a person that does like videos back to back and you're like, I can't keep up with all these thumbnails. Like, dude, use your iPhone or use your Samsung. I don't know if some of these are available for Samsung. I think Pixar is available for Samsung or Android users. And Thumbnail Maker, I'm not sure. That one I'm really not sure, but I'm pretty sure Pixar is. So I would Pixar it all the way. So I'm gonna show basically my flow on here, how I went about, you know, putting stickers and putting different shades. There's also people that they have different stickers on there that they load up for you. Like I said, it's free. Oh, you can also customize this as well. Put like, hi, what's up, what's going. You guys can just download it on your app store. It's free, and check it out and play and mess around with it and all this stuff. It's totally free to do that. If they try to tell you for you to buy, you know, the app or whatever, just put cancel, and that's it. And just ignore it like it's not there. That's what I do. I'm cheap. What can I say? Okay, so I'm gonna end it for this video because I think this is a lot to take in anyways, and it's 12 minutes already as it is. If you guys liked, please like this video if it was helpful as well, because that way it helps other people that need, you know, an easier way to make thumbnails on their phone, and this helps an athletic for them to have access to it. With that being said, I will see you guys next time on The Cat's Nine Tails. Please like and subscribe. See ya. I hope it was helpful. Bye.